the first window you will encounter, the first tab in the operation window you'll encounter is control geometry. So 99% of the time, control geometry that we're dealing with in the shop here are curves. There's an option to select flat areas, predefined regions, surfaces, which all have particular uses. We emphasize the curve technique, so that's what I'm going to teach. There's two types of curves that you will select when you're selecting control geometry. The first is what we're going to do today. It's the actual thing that you want to cut. The second one is a boundary that defines an area that you want to cut within or an area that you want to exclude. And that becomes a little bit more explicit in three-dimensional ones. But in this profiling operation, want to cut these circles. Now I want to cut them out of the piece, right? That is what a profile cut is. The bit, if you can imagine it, has a thickness to it, right? If the bit were just to travel along that line on the center of the bit, you would cut a little extra material from either side of the line to get an incorrect cut. What a profile does is automatically tells the bit to sit on the side of your line as it cuts. But as such, you need to specify whether it's cutting on the outside or the inside of that line. Since these circles are holes in our part that we want, we need to tell it to cut on the inside. That's done in cut parameters. Extra credit fact that's not in the tutorial. I typically click conventional cutting. There's a longer explanation to that, but the short one is that it'll give you a cleaner, more consistent cut. Next, I'm going to stop the video.